Have you ever made banana bread and it sinks at the middle and you're wondering, where am I getting it wrong? This secret banana bread recipe is secret because when I found out this recipe, I screamed. It is yummy, guys. Now I'm going to be showing you three secret ingredients you can add to your banana bread that will take it to another level. Mesh your bananas, just two medium-sized bananas with anything you have in your kitchen. Go on to adding two eggs. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. Set this mixture or keep it aside. Add in a little bit of brown sugar and white sugar. Then go on to add in your softened butter. Don't worry, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. You're going to whisk this with your hand mixer or your hand whisk until you get a very soft and moist consistency. This should take you like a minute or two. Go on now to add in your egg and banana mixture. Your egg and banana mixture, you're adding it gradually. Number one secret ingredient is, instead of using your regular white sugar, combining white and brown sugar gives your banana bread a very appealing color and a very appealing texture. The flavor it gives to your banana bread is something I cannot explain to you. You need to take a bite of this banana bread to really understand what I'm saying. So instead of going for the regular boring white sugar, combining a little bit of brown sugar and white sugar will do the magic. Another secret ingredient is, please do not use nutmeg. Go for cinnamon, girl. Go for cinnamon. Do not use nutmeg. See, keep that nutmeg aside for now. Add in a little bit of cinnamon and salt. Then go on now to add in your all-purpose flour and a little bit of baking powder and your baking soda. Sift your dry ingredients into your batter. Then we're going to be adding our final ingredients. Any guesses? Hey, you see these final ingredients, but your lemon zest. It took this banana bread to another level. When you have a bite of this, you will say, can I have more? It is Can I have more? That should be the name of this banana bread. Can I have more banana bread? If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen, consider subscribing to like and share. Debbie's Kitchen, you'll find loads of yummy recipes. Our recipes are top notch. They are easy, they're beginners friendly, and our explanation is something that anyone can understand. So subscribe, thumbs up, and tell me where you're watching from. Grease your pan with a little bit of vegetable oil. Go on out to add in your baking paper, pre-cut baking paper. If you say I do not have baking paper, do not worry. After greasing your pan with vegetable oil, add a little bit of flour to your pan and spread around your pan. Add in your banana bread batter. You're baking at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to 1 hour. And after baking, this is the yumminess. This is what I call the banana bread. This one and others. Dip in your skewer, your knife, or anything to check if your banana bread is cooked all the way through. Dip from the middle, because the middle is the part that takes the longest time to bake. If you have a knife, if you have a skewer, dip into your banana bread. If it doesn't come out clean, allow more time to bake. If it does come out clean, it means your banana bread is ready. Allow it to cool, take it out of your pan, and look at how it is smoky hot. This is what they call hot banana bread. When you cut through the bread, the color, the texture, everything about this bread is 10 over 10. It is 10 over 10. Yes, the color is so appealing. A bite of this is a kind you will not forget in a hurry. Have you watched till this point? Thumbs up this video to like and share. And see you in my next one. God bless you.